Friends, good evening. Today I am going to tell another strategy, productive call strategy. This is a purely option strategy. Please remember there is no strategy without hedging in option. Option means hedging. So please do not buy call or sell put in or buy put independently. So productive call strategy time frame you can use. Aggressive trader can go ahead with 5 minutes time frame. I request this strategy will be used in swing trading preferably. Trade setup stock market is in bear or bull trade with primary trend with good quality of stock. I always request trading time 9:20 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and please avoid trading in second half because second half most probably direction is not clear of the market, and avoid trading between range bound market, that is 11:30 a.m. to 1:40 because the market is range bound or sideways. So if you play it is in range, so you if you buy or sell, you are going to go get more and more losses because nifty trades usually between 30 to 50 points. Let's go ahead with productive call strategy. So productive call strategy, it is a, let's define, it is a opposite of synthetic call. An investor short a stock. In this, investor shorting a stock rather than buying a stock and buys an ATM or slightly OTM call. I already told about you ATM and OTM on the option basics. The negative effect of this is that the investor creates a pay-up profile like a long put, but instead of having net debit premium for paying premium long put, he creates a net credit receive money on shorting the stock. This strategy is called synthetic long put, as risk reward profile is same that of long put. So same as the put strategy, long put strategy, there is a limit to maximum profits attainable using this strategy. Calculation of the formula. Let's in this strategy, profit is unlimited. Profit when stock price of underlying less than sold price of underlying minus premium paid. Profit sold price of underlying minus price of underlying minus premium paid. So limited risk. Maximum loss for this strategy is limited and equal to the premium paid buying the call option. Loss formula. Maximum loss equal to premium paid plus call stock price minus sale price of underlying plus commission paid. Maximum loss happen when the price of underlying is less than or equal to strike price of long put. What are the break even points? The under price at the break-even point is achieved for productive call position can be calculated using the formula. What is break-even? Break-even point equal to sold price of underlying plus premium paid. What are the advantages of productive call? Productive call allows to hold your short stock position while ensuring against any losses. Allow you to quickly transform the position into synthetic straddle option trading in position in order to profit from the both ups and down moves. Disadvantage of productive call. The cost of call options eat into the profit margin. This is major disadvantage. So you see productive call strategy. So this is the productive call option strategy. You see the diagram. So this is the productive call. You shorted the stock and then again as you go you you buy, you shorted a stock and buy a slightly OTM call. So this is the example. You short a stock and buy a call You see 0, 60, 70, 100, these are the numbers, and profit is in upward. So this you can correlate with your profit of productive call. So productive call is an option trading hedging strategy which combines the underlying short stock, grants unlimited maximum profit as long as the underlying stock continue to fall. Profit, how we can calculate the profit of productive call? The cost of the call option are expense against the rise in the value that short that stock position when calculating the profit. The profit equal to initial stock price minus current price minus cost of call multiplied by n numbers of share. So productive call equal to, assuming that XYZ share falls to $20 by expiration of March 30th call, then the profit equal to 30 minus 20 minus 0.80 multiplied by 100 equal to $920. By the formula risk rewards ratio, upside maximum profit unlimited, break even point of productive call, because your you incur a cost on the call option, underlying stock need to fall to cover the cost. The break even point is the point behind which the productive call position would continue to benefit. Break even equal to initial stock price minus cost of call option bought. Break even of productive call, because you incur a cost on the call option, the underlying stock need to fall to cover the cost. The break even point is the point which the productive call position would continue to profit. The break even equal to initial stock price minus cost of call option bought. Productive call example equal to, again it is 30 minus 0.80 equal to $29.20. So alternate actions for productive call before expiry. So there are 2 points which we should see. If the underlying stock continues to fall strongly, one could sell out of the money call option and then buy the money call option in order to re-establish the productive call position at lower price. The second point, if the underlying stock rallies strongly, one should continue to hold the productive call position to all way to expiry. Alternate action for productive call during expiration. First point, there are two, just go at this point, there are two major points. During the expiry, if the call are in the money due to the rise in the underlying stock, you could sell the call option on the expiry date. During the expiry, if the call option are out of the money due to underlying stock falling, one should simply let the call expire worthless rather than incurring the cost by selling. Friends, I will request you set up a different example and use this chart to analyze. You can make similar chart. So let me go again. Productive call is a option strategy, and this strategy is called synthetic long put, and it is opposite of synthetic call. An investor short here, shorting a stock and buying a ATM or slightly OTM call. The next effect of this is investor create a pay profile lock like long put. So this is break even point. So break even point you can again see equal to sold price of underlying plus premium paid. So these things you see the diagram, then how it can be calculated, then again alternate action for productive call before expiry and a productive call during expiry. What action you have to take, it is already there. You go through, you try to correlate this strategy and try to make different scenarios and calculate this. So friends, I have shared my mail ID, mobile and WhatsApp number. I am a NSE certified technical fundamental option strategy analyst. This video is for your learning purpose, and I will say you subscribe this video and press the bell icon and forward to your friends who are doing trading. I again saying the option is just like a water. You want to put it in hand, you cannot catch the water in your hand. So it you must know technical analysis before doing, and you must have done some trades in equity, cash, and please have a do paper trading and try more practice on that, then you can go in the option. So friends, please forward this video to your friends so they can use this strategy, who are the experienced trader they can use. And friends, this is from my end, and I will be as I will be telling you more option strategies. Please subscribe this video ASAP and forward to your friends who want to learn financial market. They will get the automatic notification. Thank you friend, thank you. Good night.